The significance of China's development in the industrialization field to the world, it is humongous. It is extremely big. China provides a big market for the entire humanity, so we are ready to cooperate in this regard. And we are learning a lot here: artificial intelligence, drones, in the medical field, many things that will be needed in Venezuela so that we can also achieve new industrialization process with qualitative markets.
I must say that I've been very much impressed about China's economic transformation. China's economic transformation provides a template for developing countries and for African countries in particular, a template for successful economic development model as well as for industrial transformation to the clean energy transition. And China has already emerged as one of the key producer of electric vehicles, batteries. So I believe that African countries could leverage their partnership with China to mobilize technology so that they're able to add value to their products in order for them to position themselves as important player